Hey guys, so let's talk about some crypto NFT alpha, and let's start with some NFTs that I personally hold and some that I don't hold but I'm bullish on. So first of all is the GODA Mint Pass. I actually made a video few weeks ago and the floor price is still around 0.1 Ethereum. It used to cost, I think, around 10 Ethereum at its all-time high. Here you can see actually 9, yeah, almost 10 Ethereum. Looking at the fact that they are still active, maybe they are not that active, but the last announcement you can see is on December 29th. So basically a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and they were basically dropping this Pinecone by Boy Sunset collectible, basically physical. Here you can see. And if you hold a GODA Pass, you were able to get this for free. So, in my opinion, this project has a huge upside if they keep delivering. If they don't keep delivering and they just shut it down, for example, if you buy one and they shut down, you will lose $350. So, my opinion, if you are not scared to lose 0.1 Ethereum, I have 4 of these passes because I think the team will come back if the NFTs come back and the crypto comes back. Right now, it is really boring and we are in a crypto stagnation. Let's hope for the better February after the President Trump gets in the office. And the second collection I want to talk about is this Hunter Orrell 555. There are only 555 NFTs in this collection. This is basically an alpha group as of now. And who is Hunter Orrell? Here you can see Hunter Orrell basically has really a lot of followers, almost 90,000. He's really well connected. Here you can see he had a last week, he had an interview with Gmoney, huge in the space, Zeneca, also huge in space, Tropo. So he's basically well connected. He's one of the NFT OGs. He was one of the first that was buying and selling the NBA Top Shots. So if you get this NFT, which is really limited supply, really small supply, and the floor price right now is 0.4 Ethereum. I was talking about it when the floor price was 0.1 Ethereum. And here you can see the less NFTs you have, the faster the floor price is getting up. And yeah, for me, I think this current time in NFTs and crypto space is all about being in the right groups, in the right alpha groups, and it is not really about the PFPs, about 10,000 animal NFTs. That's why I think that most valuable asset right now is people, alpha groups, secret groups, whatever you want to call them. That's why I am really bullish. And recently he has become really active and giving many opportunities, whitelists for the community. And again, only 555 NFTs means that you have a higher chance to get something compared to 10,000 or even 1,000 NFT collections. So that's why I'm really bullish on Hunter Orrell's collection. The next one is Admit1 by Gmoney. Gmoney, absolute legend in the space. He also has the biggest luxury brand in the crypto NFT space, which is 9DCC. Recently, he had a drop, which basically sold out in 30 seconds. That's why I'm really bullish on this main NFT, which is Admit1. I think there will be a huge utility going into 2025. Also, there are many whitelists, even age of farming opportunities from this collection. I have been participating in basically all of them. That's why don't fade Admit1. The floor basically was 0.2 Ethereum when I was talking about it a few weeks ago. Then it went to 1.1 Ethereum. Right now the floor price is 0.89. Maybe on Blur it is lower, but pay your royalties, especially for this collection. You have to pay your royalties. So better buy on OpenSea. And again, Gmoney, one of the biggest people in this space, don't fade Admit1. Now the next collection is really, really huge, and this is 5,500 PFP collection, so it is not 10,000. That's why even more bullish. So the floor price is 0.65 Ethereum, around $1,700. Now why I am bullish is because this is one of the best communities I have ever seen. I also bought one recently and sold because I had to buy some more gear for making videos, which is more important for me. But I want to hold at least one. That's why I have to buy back one Chimper ASAP. Now, why I'm bullish is because they have been building for the whole bear market. Really, really active community. If you are bullish on Chimpers and if you are tweeting or talking about it, they will support you like crazy. I think this is like the most active in terms of basically supporting the people that are talking about this project on social media. They're really supportive. I haven't seen anything similar, even more active than Pudgy Penguins. Even though Pudgy Penguins has a floor price of like 100,000. And one more bullish aspect is that they are actually posting on TikTok, on Instagram, and here you can see they are basically posting some small cartoons, short cartoons, and they have 400,000 followers, which is insane. That's basically how you onboard the Web2 crowd into the NFT space. And this is not about NFTs, this is just fun profile, fun account, just posting different memes, positive vibes on TikTok, and just earning their mindshare, followers, attention. It's all about attention. And here you can see on Instagram, even more followers, 500,000. You can see 4 million views, 670, likes. So more views, 4 million likes, 1 million like. One of this recent video got 650,000 likes, which is insane. And yeah, again, this is not about NFTs. They are onboarding Web2 people. And imagine if NFTs get as big as they were in 2021 when the mainstream is talking about NFTs. These numbers will matter. That's why I think really undervalued. Only if the NFTs and the crypto comes back as it was in 2021 and 2017, this will go insane. That's why I think this is really heavily undervalued. But right now, everything is stagnant. Of course, NFTs are not back yet, but also many people, many huge founders, OGs are talking about this project more and more. That's why check out this project, really legit and long-term project. It's not like some new cooked up NFT collection like on these new chains come out and they are just dropping NFT collections that will die most likely in few days. This is one of my favorite. I have to buy back my Chimper. Now let's end with some basically age of farming. So first of all is this Yaps, which means you have to write on Twitter and you will earn Yaps. Basically, I don't understand even how you can earn because I have been posting a lot in the basically previous weeks, but for the last few days I haven't posted almost anything, and I actually earned 2 Yaps in the last few days. Here you can see that 24 hours I earned 2 Yaps. I don't know how I did it. Maybe because I talked to a Hunter Orrell, or maybe he retweeted me. Here you can see maybe this is the tweet that earned me 2 Yaps because I was basically talking with huge crypto guy on Twitter, and maybe that count as a good tweet, so he retweets me and I get some views. I think that makes the most sense because I was tweeting like 50 tweets a day before and I earned like 0. That's why this is really weird, but if you can understand crack the code, how you can earn more Yaps. This will be a huge airdrop. So definitely check this out. Now, the last airdrop alpha is Jumper. So there is a great tweet from Toby. Go to Jumper Exchange, select some tokens, bridge using Mayan, and basically you will qualify for 3 airdrops. And here is the interface. You can see I have like 657 points, which is not that much. You can see my rank is quite low. This is not a new airdrop, but I think if you do everything right, you can qualify for some legit points. And here I will show you how you can actually get more points. Here you can see basically Jumper Exchange XP Alpha. If you complete $10,000 bridge volume, you will get some points. If you do the swap volume as well, at least 10,000, you will get the most points from that. 10 source chains, which means that you bridge from 10 different chains, 10 different networks to another network, and 50 transactions all in a 1 month, which is quite easy, and you will get 130 XP points monthly, which is the max, which means that you can earn like in 6 months you can earn like 800 points. So you can see I have not been that active because I have been farming this, I think, since 2024, early 2024. That's why, again, there are so many opportunities, and these are the opportunities that I know about, and they can basically get a big be a big return of your time investment or money investment, in my opinion. And this video is not a financial advice, but again, check out these NFT collections. GODA Pass, 555, Admit1. I'm really bullish on NFTs, especially because there are these very limited NFT collections. And when people get basically bullish on NFTs, there is only so few NFTs from these OGs with great alpha. That's why if NFTs come back, and the way it come back, I think this will, for example, get to its previous all-time high, which was 10 Ethereum or 12, 19 Ethereum. Insane. And it makes sense. This is one of the biggest influencers, if you can call them influencers, in this space. That's why don't fade these alpha group NFTs. You can get alpha for doesn't matter what is the narrative. These alpha groups are a great way to just be updated on the current trends, because these insiders, I mean, these huge people with huge following, they are very well connected. They understand where the money is going first, and they will give you some opportunities, whitelists, airdrops, even airdrops. The Admit1 has been giving airdrops as well. I think Hunter Orrell will be similar. That's why don't fade the utility NFTs. And by the way, if you want to get all of this information faster, I have my Patreon. Everything is in my Patreon first, and all the links are in the description and in the comment section. If you want to join my Patreon, only $10 a month. I'm posting every day, multiple posts. That's why if you think it is valuable, or you just want to try it and see what kind of alpha there is, you can try it. If you don't like it, unsubscribe. And yeah, that's basically everything I want to say in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.